So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about a stock which is about to break out and which may give some very good returns for short term and as well as for long term also it may give some very good returns. So the name of the stock is CG Power. So we know that about CG Power we have discussed on a regular basis whether it may be the updates and also related to the board meeting also we have discussed few weeks back, and also we have done the technical analysis, but we know that the stock was giving a very good consolidation for a long period of time and it may give some a good breakout in the coming sessions. So we'll try to do the complete technical analysis and also we'll see how the deliveries are increasing on regular basis, which may give us secondary confirmation. So make sure you're watching the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so starting our discussion about CG Power. So first I'll try to compare how the deliveries are increasing on a regular basis. So you can see on 27th May, you have seen a spike in deliveries and you can see the percentage is almost around 84.8%, and you can see the stock has also moved almost 4%. But if you compare the last 3 to 4 trading sessions, you can see that time the stock was in complete consolidation phase. You can see only 0.6, 0.4 and in some cases it was almost flat. So that particular phase is called consolidation phase. So we know that CG Power, whenever it tries to give any sort of breakout, it tries to consolidate for a certain period of time. So after completing that particular phase, it gives a huge spike, especially in price followed by volume also. So how to compare that? So clearly you can see the deliveries are increasing. So that is one confirmation that we are trying to get, that in the coming sessions the stock may give momentum. So what is that particular level that we need to focus and what is the best entry so that we can get some very good returns? So that we'll try to discuss. Okay, so we are back on to technical charts and you can see this is the 1 week chart of CG Power. So I tell to all my viewers, whenever you're doing any sort of analysis, so first you need to go to a larger time frame, because more data or more accuracy that we find would be on larger time frame, and after that you need to come to smaller time frame like 1 day charts. So there you can do the confirmation of your analysis. So in 1 week chart, what can you identify? So we can see that after crossing the 81 rupees level, so we know that for it was a previous resistive region. So we know already once when it has approached, it has retraced and with huge volume, it has given the breakout. So after crossing the 81 rupees level, so it was consolidating. So not even single week. So you can see 2 weeks, the stock has completed the consolidation phase followed by this week. So we can say total 3 weeks of consolidation has been successfully completed. And you can see what is the resistive region? 90 rupees. So 90 rupees is the major resistive region. So once it crosses 90 and if it sustains and closes above it, then easily it will cross 100 and you can see the stock is completely free and immediate targets would be 110. Okay, you can see huge momentum may be generated in short term as well. So that's why I felt I need to share this particular thing. So this is in weekly time frame. So once you see weekly time frame, you need to confirm even money flow index. So you can see that is in overbought region. It implies that nobody is selling, but only accumulation is happening at that particular levels. That is, they're averaging or they're adding. So it may be anyone. So they're accumulating in that particular region. So that's why the stock was also not able to give any sort of movement above 90 rupees level. So definitely on Monday, we need to focus this particular level. Okay, so when we see 1 day chart, so 1 day chart, clearly you can understand it was able to sustain the 87 rupees level. So you can see how many days it was consolidating in that particular range. So yesterday it has gone up little bit, but today we know market was also little volatile. So on that particular note, again it has closed above that particular region. So make sure you're watching the 90 rupees level very clearly, and targets wise already I told you, after 94 we have 100, after that 110. So these are going to be the near term targets. And in money flow index of daily time frame, you can see it is near 62, so that is also in decent range. It has not entered the overbought region yet, so the next movement that we see on Monday is going to be the deciding factor. So make sure you're keeping this particular stock into watch list, and if you're interested, do your personal analysis and then only try to invest in decent quantity. So further, if you're having any doubts, you can message me in the comment section, and also you can connect with me within Instagram. So Instagram ID is StocksDairyYT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.